equation of tangent, because we want to find the value at point T. Y minus y1 at point T also this will remain same. So b cos cube T minus b upon a, we can write cot as cos upon sine, x minus x1 at point T this will also remain same. x1 y1 with the point through which the line is passes. Now we want to find the point at equals to T. At T, y1 will also remain same and x1 will also remain same. So we can write it as ay sin T minus ab cos cube T sin T minus bx cos T minus minus plus ab sin cube T cos T. Ay sin T plus bx cos T. AB is common, sin and cos is common. Here we have left with sin square T and here cos square T. Sin square plus cos square is equals to 1. So AB sin T cos T. AB sin T cos T. So this is the equation for the tangent. Ay sin T plus bx cos T is equals to ab sin T cos T. Now we want to find the equation of normal. Equation of normal, y minus y1 minus 1 upon m, slope of tangent is minus b cos T a sin T, x minus x naught a sin cube T, multiply by cos T minus b square cos 4 x a sin T minus a square sin 4t sin power 4t. So we get by cos T minus ax sin T is equals to b square cos 4t minus a square sin 4t. Now the next one is, show that the line x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1 touches the curve y b into e power minus x upon a at the point where it crosses the y-axis. It crosses the y-axis at x is equals to 0. So we get y is equals to b. E power 0 is 1. So y is b. Now differentiate it with respect to x. b e power minus x upon a, derivative of minus x upon a. So minus b upon a e power minus x upon a. Now we want to find the slope of tangent at the point x0, yb. X is 0, so we get minus b upon a. Now equation of tangent at point 0b. Y minus y naught, slope of tangent x minus x naught. We get ay minus ab is equals to minus bx divided by ab, y upon b minus 1 x upon a. So we get x upon a plus y upon b is equals to 1. Therefore, the line this touches the curve, given curve, when it crosses the y-axis. and normal to the curve x minus 7 upon x minus 2, x minus 3 at point where it cuts x-axis. Since it cuts x-axis, therefore y is equals to 0. From here we get x is equals to 7. So the point is 7, 0. Now we can write it as y into x minus 2, x minus 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. First term as it is. Multiply these terms, we get x square minus 5x plus 6. Derivative of second term plus first term as it is. Derivative of y dy upon dx. Derivative of x is 1 and constant term is 0. From here we want to find dy upon dx. 1 minus y into 2x minus 5, or dy upon dx is equals to this. In the next step we get this term. Now we want to find the value at point x7, y is 0. x7, y is 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 7 minus 3, 1 upon 20. Now equation of tangent. When passes through 7, 0, y minus y naught, m x minus x naught. So 20y is equals to x minus 7. X minus 20y minus 7 equals to 0. Now equation of normal. Y minus y naught minus 1 upon slope of tangent x minus x naught. Y is equals to minus 20x minus minus plus. So 20x plus y minus 140 equals to 0. Note it down. Now next one is find the equation of tangent to the curve y is equals to x cube minus 1 x minus 2 at the point where it cuts x-axis. Cuts x-axis, it means y is equals to 0. So put y is equals to 0, x cube minus 1 x minus 2. We can write it as, so x is 1 or x is 2. Now differentiate it with respect to x. First function as it is, derivative of x, derivative of 2. Plus second as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square, 1 is 0. So x cube minus 1, 3x cube, 3 into 2, 6x square. So 4x cube minus 6x square minus 1. Now we want to find the value. When x is 1, y is 0, x is 2, y is 0. When x is 1 and y is 0, 4 into 1 minus 7 and 4. Dy upon dx at 2, 0. X is 2, 2 cube is 8, 2 square, 4 into 6, 24 minus 1. 32 minus 25. Now equation of tangent. When it passes through point 1, 0, y minus y naught, then slope of tangent is minus 3 x minus 1. Minus 3x minus minus plus 3. 3x plus y is equals to 3. And equation of tangent, when it passes through point 2, 0, y minus y naught, then slope of tangent is 7, x minus x naught. 7x minus 14. So 7x minus y minus 14 equals to 0. Now the next one. Find the equation of normal to the curve y is equals to 1 plus x power y sin inverse sin square x at x is equals to 0. We want to find the equation of normal here. First, to find the derivative of this term. This is of the type variable power variable. Let it as u. Now taking log on both sides, y log of 1 plus x. Now differentiate with respect to x. First function derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. So we get du upon dx as 1 upon u. u इस साइड गया राइट साइड पे, तो वैल्यू ऑफ u y upon 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x into dy upon dx. Now differentiate it with respect to x. We get dy upon dx. Derivative of this term is 1 plus x power y, y upon 1 plus x plus dy upon dx into log of 1 plus x plus derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square sin square x square. Derivative of sin square x 2 sin x cos of x. Now we can write this term as a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. 1 minus sin square is equals to cos square x. And we can write it as cos of x into square root of 1 plus sin square x. So what we get, dy upon dx is equals to 1 plus x power y, y upon 1 plus x plus dy upon dx log of 1 plus x plus 2 sin x, cos x will get cancelled, upon square root of 1 plus sin square x. Is it clear up to here? Now when x is equals to 0, then put the value of x is equals to 0. When x is 0, then y is 1 plus 0 power y sin inverse. Sin square 0. Sin 0 is 0. 1 power something is 1. So we have the point 0, 1. Now we want to find equation of normal that passes through this point 0, 1. First find the slope of tangent at this point x0, y1. So what is the value of slope of tangent at x0, y1? X is 0, y is 1. Y is 1, x is 0. Dy upon dx as it is. X is 0. Log 1. Log 1 is also 0. Plus 2 sin 0. 1 plus sin square 0. So what we get? 1 log 1 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. So we get dy upon dx slope of tangent as 1. Now equation of normal when it passes through point 0, 1. Y minus y naught minus 1 upon slope of tangent x minus x naught minus x. So we get x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Note it down. to the curve y is equals to this, which is parallel to line 4x minus 2y plus 3 is equals to 0. Clear? Now we want to find the slope of this line. Minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Now dy upon dx. 1 upon 2 square root of 5x minus 3. Derivative of square root of x. 1 upon 2 square root of x. Derivative of 5x is 5 and 3 is 0. So 5 by 2 square root of 5x minus 3. Let x1, y1 be the required point. Then this point will lie on the given curve. And slope of tangent at this point. x1, y1, 5 by 2 square root of 5x1 minus 3. Clear? Now it is given that this line is parallel to this. It means their slopes are equal. Let slope of line as m2 and tangent as m1. So 5 upon 2, 5x minus 3 is equals to 2. 4 into 5x1 minus 3. Squaring both sides, 5 square, 4 square. Is it clear up to here? Now we have to find the value of x1. 25 plus 48. 73 by 80. Now put this value in equation. Let this as 1. y1 is 5 x1 minus 3 minus 2. 16. 73 minus 48. Square root of 16 is 4. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 6 minus 4 is 2. And square root of 25 is 5. 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 5 minus 3 by 4. So we get y1 as minus 3 by 4. Now we want to find the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent passes through 73 by 80. y1 is this. Y minus y1, slope of tangent. This 5 by 2. Find the slope of tangent at x1 is equals to 73 by 80. We get 5 by 2 square root of 73. Square root of 16 is 4. 10 by root 73. Y minus y naught is equals to m x minus x naught. Is it clear up to here? Now solve this. We can also write here at x1, y1 we have this value is equals to 2. So instead of writing this we can write 2. So y plus 3 by 4, 2x minus 73 by 40. Clear? Now take the LCM. 4y plus 3. So 40y plus 30 is equals to 80x minus 73. So we get 80x minus 40y minus 103 equals to 0. Note it down. Next one. Find the equation of tangent line to y is equals to 2x square plus 7 and is parallel to the line 4x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. dy upon dx, derivative of 2x square, 7 is 0. Let x1, y1 be the required point. Then dy upon dx at x1, y1 will be equals to 4x1. Now slope of this line minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Clear? Now these lines are parallel, so slope of tangent and slope of line will be equal. 4x1 is equals to 4, x1 is 1. Put this value of x1 here. Now since x1, y1 be the required point, it will lie on the curve. Put value of x1 1, 2 plus